Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to make your Premiere Pro editing software to run faster and then fix every nagging issue in your Premiere Pro. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and simply navigate to Edit tab right here. And the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on Preferences. Then under Preferences right here, you want to make sure you navigate to Media right here. Go ahead and click on Media. And this is going to pump up right here. So under the media sections right here, you want to make sure you set up your frame rate right here. You can click on here. Then here, you can set your frame rate to be 30 seconds per frame rate. And then you can simply come down below right here and make sure you check this H.264/HEVC hardware accelerated coding. This is required to be checked. And lastly, make sure you check on this as well. And then once you check on all these two things, go ahead and hit on OK. And the last thing you want to do here, if you are using Windows PC, you want to make sure you integrate your graphics card with your Premiere Pro. How do we do that? What we want to do next is to simply minimize our Premiere Pro, and then we want to make sure we come to our Windows Start menu right here. So all you have to do here is to right-click on your Start menu, and then go ahead and click on Settings icon on your Windows PC. So if you are using Mac, you have to navigate to Settings in your Mac. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to System. And under the System, go ahead and navigate to Display. Then from Display right here, what you need to do here is to simply scroll down all the way down until you get to Graphics right here. Go ahead and click on Graphics. And then it's going to load right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you add your Premiere Pro to Graphics sections right here. If you cannot find it right here, all you have to do is to simply go ahead and click on Add Desktop App. So click on that, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to Desktop. And then you want to make sure you look for Premiere Pro. Just like so. I'm using Premiere Pro 2025. Then go ahead and hit on Add. Just like so. And the next thing you want to do, you can see we have Premiere Pro 2025 right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here, and then you want to make sure you scroll down right here. Here, let Windows decide. Go ahead and click on that, and make sure you choose your high performance graphics dedicated for your window. You go to select this, and then you add done. Just like so. GPU preferences is set to be higher performance, which is going to be make use of your graphics card dedicated on your Windows PC. And make sure this is enabled. It's that simple. And then lastly, all you have to do is to simply, you will need to restart your apps or game to see your changes. For that, close the Premiere Pro, close all the windows entirely, restart your PC and relaunch your Premiere Pro. With that, the issue of nagging is going to stop, and then your your Premiere Pro will run faster without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Premiere Pro to edit your footage, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.